Did you know that Cusco, Peru was once the historic capital of the Inca Empire? Nestled high in the Andes, Cusco stands as an enduring symbol of ancient civilization where the echoes of the past mingle with the rhythm of the present. This city, once the heart of the mighty Inca Empire, now serves as a gateway to the past. Its streets are lined with the archaeological remains of its former glory, from the intricate stonework of Sacsayhuaman to the timeless wonder of Machu Picchu. Yet Cusco is not merely a city locked in time. Spanish colonial architecture breathes new life into its ancient foundations, a testament to the city's resilience and adaptability. From the bustling Plaza de Armas to the quaint Barrio San Blas, Cusco's charm lies in its fusion of old and new. Cusco, a city that is a blend of the old and the new, invites you to explore its rich history and vibrant culture. Immerse yourself in the rich culture of Cusco, an intriguing blend of Inca and Spanish influences. As we delve deeper into this cultural tapestry, we uncover a world of vibrant festivals, captivating music, and tantalizing cuisine that tells a tale of a city steeped in history and tradition. In the heart of Cusco, the Plaza de Armas de Cusco stands as the city's social and cultural hub. This grand square, once a gathering place for the Incas, continues to play host to vibrant festivals that color the city with life and energy. Each celebration, whether it's the colorful Inti Raymi or the lively Corpus Christi, is a spectacle of traditional music, dance, and costume, offering a window into the city's rich cultural heritage. Speaking of music, Cusco's soundscape is as diverse as its history. From the soothing melody of the Andean pan flute echoing in the streets, to the rhythmic beats of traditional folk music enlivening local festivities, Cusco's music is a symphony of sounds that reverberates with the city's spirit. And let's not forget the cuisine. Cusco's culinary landscape is a gastronomic adventure that marries ancient Inca ingredients with Spanish and international influences. From the hearty quinoa soups to the renowned cuy, a local delicacy of roasted guinea pig, each dish is a delicious testament to the city's cultural fusion. Venture into the Barrio San Blas Cusco, and you'll find yourself in a bohemian paradise. Known as the Artists' Quarter, this charming district is a treasure trove of art studios, craft shops, and quaint cafes, where the city's creative pulse beats strong. But the cultural journey doesn't stop there. Cusco is a city that invites exploration, with every corner revealing a new layer of its cultural fabric. From the bustling San Pedro market to the sacred Moray Maras and the picturesque Humante Lake, there's always something more to discover. From its music to its cuisine, every aspect of Cusco's culture is a testament to its vibrant and diverse history. Cusco is a city that wears its history on its sleeve, boasting numerous archaeological sites and historic landmarks. Each corner of the city whispers tales of a vibrant past, a rich tapestry woven with the threads of ancient civilizations and Spanish conquests. Let's embark on a journey through time, starting with the Maras salt mines. These mines, with their terraced salt pans glistening under the sun, have been a source of salt for the region since pre-Incan times. Today, they stand as a testament to the ingenuity of those ancient cultures, a fascinating spectacle for the modern traveler. Moving from the mines, we find ourselves in the Sacred Valley, a region once revered by the Incas for its fertile lands. Lush green fields stretch as far as the eye can see, punctuated by impressive Incan ruins. This valley cradles the essence of Incan civilization, a must-visit for anyone seeking to understand the roots of Cusco. Our next stop is Moray Maras, a unique archaeological site famous for its circular terraces. These concentric rings, descending into the earth, are believed to have been an agricultural laboratory for the Incas. Each level represents a different microclimate, a testament to the Incan mastery over nature. Finally, we arrive at Humante Lake, a breathtaking body of water nestled amidst snow-capped mountains. This lake, held sacred by the Incas, offers an ethereal experience, where the natural beauty of Cusco intertwines with its spiritual essence. These historic landmarks, each with its own story to tell, are what make Cusco a city like no other. They offer glimpses of the past, windows into the lives of the people who once called this city home. As we walk the same paths they once did, we become part of Cusco's ongoing narrative, a story that continues to unfold with every visitor who sets foot in this remarkable city. These historic landmarks, each with its own story to tell, are what make Cusco a city like no other. For those who love the great outdoors, Cusco offers a host of activities that promise adventure and excitement. The city, nestled amidst the Andean mountains, is a playground for those who seek adventure, be it hiking, camping, or just exploring the beautiful landscapes. Cusco's stunning topography provides an excellent backdrop for some of the most incredible hikes. The Sacred Valley Tour, for instance, is a must for every nature enthusiast. It's a journey through a captivating landscape that's shrouded in mystery and filled with the echoes of a bygone era. Then there's the trek to Humantay Lake, a gem hidden high in the Andean mountains. It's a challenging hike, but the sight of the turquoise lake, set against the snow-capped peaks, is worth every step. Another popular outdoor activity in Cusco is exploring the Maras salt mines. This isn't your typical hike. It's an exploration of an ancient salt mining technique that's still in use today. The sight of thousands of salt pools cascading down the hillside is a spectacle to behold. Day tours from Cusco offer another way to experience the great outdoors. The Moray Maras tour, for example, takes you through the Sacred Valley, showcasing the agricultural prowess of the ancient Incas. It's a journey that combines history, culture, and nature in a unique blend that's quintessentially Cusco. For those who prefer a leisurely pace, a walking tour of Barrio San Blas, a charming neighborhood in Cusco, is a delightful way to spend the day. The narrow, cobbled streets and the quaint artisan shops offer a peek into the city's vibrant culture and history. Cusco's great outdoors also cater to the adventurous spirit with activities like ziplining, mountain biking, and river rafting. It's a city that's just as alive with adrenaline as it is with history and culture. With its breathtaking landscapes and thrilling outdoor activities, Cusco promises to leave every adventurer with unforgettable memories. No matter how long you stay in Cusco, the city has a way of making every moment count. As you embark on your Cusco journey, the city unfolds like an enchanting book, revealing one surprise after another. Unmissable attractions like the Maras salt mines, the picturesque San Blas neighborhood, and the bustling Plaza de Armas immerse you in the city's vibrant energy. A Cusco walking tour is a must-do, revealing hidden gems and charming corners of the city. Consider day trips from Cusco to explore the Sacred Valley or the archaeological site of Moray Maras. If you're up for a challenge, the Cusco hikes, such as the trail to Humantay Lake, offer breathtaking views. And at the end of each exhilarating day, the best hotels in Cusco provide a cozy refuge. Whether it's a day of exploration or relaxation, Cusco offers an array of experiences tailored to your tastes. From its historic landmarks to its vibrant culture, Cusco offers a travel experience that is as unique as it is unforgettable.